Coming up, the twins splash into adventure at a wild waterfall and find out how waterfalls really work. Join the twins on all their fun and wholesome adventures.
3, 2, 1, let's go! Come on! It's a rainy day, but that won't stop the twins from hitting the great outdoors. With all the rainfall we have had this weekend, it's a perfect time to explore a waterfall.
Now, twins, let's be careful on the muddy path. It could be slippery. Can you hear the water rushing? It means we could be getting close.
Oh, there it is. What a beauty. Wow, there is a lot of water flowing at the moment. That's amazing.
Let's go explore. But first, let's eat some healthy food to boost our energy.
Nice. The twins are charged up.
Let's go!
So how do these waterfalls work? First, let's find out where the water comes from.
When it rains, the water doesn't just stay where it falls. It starts to travel down mountains and hills, trickling into little streams. Those little streams find each other and come together to make bigger rivers. The more it rains, the bigger the rivers get, and the faster they flow. Sometimes, when a river reaches the edge of a cliff, it tumbles over and creates a beautiful waterfall. And where does all that water go in the end? Around here, it makes its way all the way out to the ocean.
Crikey, check out that waterfall. Look at all that water flowing.
Wow!
Unfortunately, it's not very safe to go swimming today, even though we really want to. We have been here before, and it was much more friendly for swimmers. It seems like everyone showed up to cool off.
Would you like us to visit more waterfalls in the future, like this mega one?
Crikey.
Ew.
Now remember, kiddos, if you are not sure, then don't touch. Well, these may look like normal mushrooms, but they could be poisonous, so best to not eat them. Now it's a pretty tricky track, so good idea to hold hands.
Oh no!
Mud pit.
Oh no, not in the mud. Holy moly.
Jeepers creepers.
Next up, the twins are heading to the coast in search of the greatest fish catcher of them all.
What?
As you don't want to miss this very special twins adventure.
Okay.
Thanks for watching. Now it's time to turn off the screen and start your own adventure.
Goodbye.